Hello friends, welcome back. Today, we're exploring the Train Model 3D wooden puzzle toy, a captivating assembly kit perfect for kids and enthusiasts alike. Inspired by the evolution of road vehicles back to the 19th century, this scale model vehicle brings a touch of history to your hands. Each characteristic vehicle of the era is replicated in mini-scale, with intricate details that challenge both your eyes and hands. The detailed structures make this kit not only a fun project, but also a stunning display piece for stylish collections. Perfect as a birthday gift or a fun family project, this wooden building toy enhances creativity and fine motor skills. The Train Model 3D wooden puzzle toy is more than just a toy. It's a journey through time and a testament to your craftsmanship. Get yours today and discover the joy of building with the Train Model 3D wooden puzzle toy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.